1 oz of this special mix kills ear ringing. It's finally here, the tinnitus treatment that ends the suffering of millions and has brought thousands into tears after seeing its incredible results. Take a look at this brain scan. Scientists from the University of Arizona have managed to pinpoint the exact location of where this debilitating sound comes from, and you'll never guess. This discovery is so incredible that researchers now say it's finally possible to stop tinnitus. Their findings have proven to be 100% effective with zero exception for over 130,000 people who suffer from tinnitus, hearing loss, and hyperacusis. This method is so effective it clears the ringing in your ears, restores your hearing, and obliterates your headaches, stress, and anxiety. No more buzzing, whooshing, roaring, and endless sleepless nights. So, if you want to stop your ringing and regain your crystal cleared hearing, then click the link below to find out how.